welcome back to Melody Math. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to find the area of rectangles using this formula. So, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, magically a rectangle has appeared. Okay, now the formula to find the area of this is this. So, this is the formula, length times width. And this is what we use to find the area of a rectangle. Okay, so let's give a number, a value for the length. So let's say the length is equal to 2, and the width is equal to 3. Okay? Just so you guys know, this rectangle is not triangle. Okay? So if 2 is the length and 3 is the width, and length times width is equal to the area, then we have to do 2 times 3. Which is 2 multiplied by 3 to get our area. So what is 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is also 3 times 2, which is 3 plus 3. And 3 plus 3, we know, is equal to 6. So that means 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and that's also the area for this rectangle. So I hope you guys have understood this topic, and if you want more videos like these, remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button for Melody Math. Thank you.